Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are practicing Desmos Inequalities. I will solve one question step by step so you can understand it clearly. Let us begin. So here is our question: y less than negative 3x plus 5 and y greater than 2x minus 1. So which of the following tables contains only values of x and their corresponding y values that satisfy both inequalities? So just we can solve this question in easy method. So now we can plug our equation. So this is Desmos calculator. So our inequality y less than negative 3x plus 5, negative 3x plus 5, and the second inequality y greater than 2x minus 1, y greater than 2x minus 1. So let us check our inequalities: y less than negative 3x plus 5 and y greater than 2x minus 1. So here is our graph. So this one is our graph intersection. So now we check each option by using their corresponding values x and y. So just let us check option B. Negative 2 comma negative 2 comma 8. Yeah. And the second x and y value 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3, and our second value, the third value, negative 3 minus 2, negative 3 minus 2. Yeah. So if you see our pointers are negative 2 comma 8, 0 comma 3, and negative 3 comma negative 2. All are in the intersection of the graph, right? So our answer is B. Just to check, we can check also option A. Option A, negative 1 comma 3, negative 1 comma 3, and yeah, negative 1 comma 3, it is a point found in our intersection. So it is possible. And the second one is 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5. Yeah, it is also in our intersection. And 2 comma 1, right? So 2 comma 1, it is out of intersection. So because of 2 comma 1, choice A cannot be our answer. So in this way In this way, you can check option C and D. They cannot be answer for this question, so the correct answer is only B. So guys, you can solve like this question just by using the Desmos without time wasting. So this is for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this practice on Desmos inequalities was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more math practice. See you in the next video. Peace out.